Hi guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template from cards in Trello. So if you're looking to create card templates, it is very easy and it will save you a ton of time going forward and increase productivity. So now as you can see here, I'm on my Trello board here and I have three lists, right? So let's say I'm going to take this test card here to create a template from it. You can open up that specific card here and you will have all of your changes and your settings set to it. And if you want to use this again in the future and create a template from it, it is very easy. So if you do that, so once you open it on the lower right hand side of that specific card, you will see make template. You click on that and you've now created a template from this card. And if you look at the top here, you will see that it says that this is a template card, and you can always go ahead and create a new template from this. So if I go ahead and close it, you will see as well that it shows that this card is a template and I can use this in other lists. I can use this elsewhere if I so desire. So how do I go ahead using it? Click on it. You will see that it is a template. You click and create a card from this template. You go ahead and give it a name. So let's say I'm going to give this one, for example, let's say my test card. For example, I'm going to call it that. And you can keep all of those attributes in it. So you can keep the members, you can keep the checklist, or whatever other things that you've created a part of that card. You can include them or deactivate them or turn them off, right? So let's say I don't want to have the members. I can remove the members, but I can keep the checklist, right? Here you also have list. It goes ahead and shows you the list, and you can choose which list you want to add this in. So let's say I want to move it to the doing list, right? I can choose that specific list and create the card, and it's going to move, it's going to create a copy of that right into the list. So as you can see, it's open now and it's in the doing list here, and you can easily go ahead and see that it's there. And if I close this, you can see here in the doing list, I have it and have all of those attributes coming from my template. So if I open that, you can see it has everything that is there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and create a card template in Trello.